Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the function in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here, and we have some data. Using this data over here, I'll explain the if function. So to say about this data, in the product column we have the products A, B, C and D. In the price column we have the respective prices. In the shipping charge column we have nothing right now, but we want to apply some shipping charge based on some condition. So using the if function, you can apply the condition and get the respective shipping charges easily than doing it manually. Got it? So let us see how we do that. So for the data over here, I have a condition. So that is for the product price equal or more than $1,000, add a shipping charge of $10. So this is my condition. Got it? So if I come back to the software, as you can see, for the price more than $1,000, we have to add a shipping charge of $10. So currently this is very easy because there is only four products and you can actually enter it manually. But what if you had like 1,000 or 1,500 products? It will be like very difficult task, right? So that's why we have the if function. So highlight this cell over here, this cell E3, this one. Now let us enter the condition over here using the if function. So you have to start with the equal symbol from the keyboard and type in if, and you will see some suggestions. Out of it, click on the if here, double click over there. So now let us see the syntax of if function. How to use the if function. This is the syntax, or you can call it as a format. Syntax is more like a technical word. Got it? So equal and if we have entered already. Now we have to enter the referring cell. So in this data, the referring cell is this amount here, the price of product A. We are referring this price over here. So click there using the left mouse button just once. Got it? So the data is entered. Now, now we have to enter the condition. What is the condition? The condition is for the product price equal or more than $1,000, you have to add a shipping charge of $10. So how do we do that? So come here. So enter the more than symbol and equal symbol from the keyboard, sorry, equal symbol. Got it? So if the price is more than or equal to 1,000, just enter the condition over here. First you have to enter the referring cell, then the condition. Actually, you don't need a comma here. I just entered here in the text document to make it easier for you. But in the software, don't enter the comma. Got it? Between the referring cell and the condition. Just enter the condition. Now, next step is what is the answer if the condition is true? So that means, so enter a comma here. Here you need a comma. Note it. So what is the value if the condition is true? So this is the condition. So what is the value if the condition is true? So if the price is equal or more than 1,000 rupees, add a shipping charge of $10. So we have to add a $10 if the condition is true. So enter 10 here. Got it? If the condition becomes true, add a $10. Now enter comma again. What is the answer if the condition is false? So that means you have to enter 0. So basically what it means is if the price at the T3 cell is greater than or equal to $1,000, add a shipping charge of $10. If not, add a shipping charge of $0. So this is what the condition means. Got it? Now click on enter. So you get the answer as 0 because as you know 500 is less than 1,000. The condition becomes false. So we have already applied two values, one if the condition is true and one if the condition is false. In this cell, the condition becomes false, so it is 0. So now you don't have to keep typing in the same formula for each box. Just come to the bottom right corner of the cell E3 here. You will see the thick plus symbol as a thin plus here, as you can see. Just click and drag over the other cells. See, we got the answers automatically. Got it? So this is how you can make use of the if function. It's very useful when you have like a large set of data. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.